Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing some online kind of lessons. So we're going to be shading in fractions. Okay, so this is really good to help you guys. So if you guys don't need to do this and you're struggling at home and you need some help, well, this is here to help you, okay? So if you guys don't need this, don't bother come in, that makes sense. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today we're going to look at some shading fractions. Okay, so we're going to go over our charts, what we're going to do today. So we're actually going to be doing lots of shading fractions, and we are also going to be looking at maybe doing some English, and then we're going to use the whiteboard for that, okay? But we're going to look at shading and fractions with this, and then we're going to look at some English on the whiteboard, okay? So let's start. So we're going to do some shading fractions, okay? So my thing said shade 1/2, okay? So how many sides do I have? I have 2, okay? So I've 2 sides. And if it says shade one of those sides, I must have to shade this side, okay? So ignore this terrible shading. But okay, we're just going to undo that, okay. So I've got to shade one of this bit, okay? So I'm just gonna do this. You guys can tell it's shaded. If you guys, oh my gosh, sorry, I am terrible at this. If you guys can't tell it's shaded, well, it is shaded, you know. Okay, let's go into the next one. So the next one says shade 1/4. Okay. Now how many sides do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to shade in one side. So that means we have to shade in one. So we're going to shade in this one. Okay, you guys get the idea that this is shaded in, okay? Let's have a look at this one. Shade 2/4, which is the same as 1/2. Oh, God, looks like a 2 now. 1/2. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna not bother with that, okay? Which is same as 1/2, okay? So that means we've got a shade in 2. So we've got 1. And we'll do it here, 2. Okay. Oh, that is 2. You guys know. You guys know that, okay? Let's have a look at this one. Shade in 1/3. Okay, so we've got to shade in one of these. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is just. You know what? That would do. You know, like this is shaded in. You know. You guys can understand. Okay. Let's have a look at this next one. Shade in 2/3, okay? Now I want you guys to think of this one by yourself, so I'll give you a couple minutes just to think on this next one. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, hopefully you guys got this answer. So because it says 2/3, we have to shade in 2, okay? So you have to shade in 2. How about this one? Shade 3/3. That means we have to shade basically all of this, okay? You understand that? Shade 1/5, okay? So we've got to shade in 1/5. let me freaking shade one of these. 4/5 shading 4. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Shading 2/5. We got 1. Oh, sorry, you guys. We got 1, 2. Okay, and then now we've got shade 1/10, okay? Got to shade one of these. Now I'm just going to put a dot, okay? Because you guys should understand, okay? 5/10. Again, I'm just going to put dot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7/10. I'm going to just put dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I'm going to leave this up here to help you. So if you guys are looking at a worksheet or like a homework, if you guys are doing any catch-up lessons or anything like that, this is here to help me. This is here to help you guys, okay? Because as you can see, we have shaded in one of these and we have one left. With this one, but we shaded 1 and we got a quarter. Same as the 2, we got 2 and then we got 4, okay? Ignore if you guys can hear someone in the background because that was someone making a phone call, okay? Same as this one. We got 3 and we could shade in 1, okay? 2/3 shade in 2. 3/3 we shade in all 3, okay? Hopefully you guys understand this. Pause the video if you need to, and we're going to get on to English. And I've changed the plans. We're going to do it on the whiteboard. On the whiteboard on here, okay? So I'll pause the video and hopefully you guys have understood this. Remember, you guys, if you don't understand something, just look back, okay? I'll give you guys a couple more minutes if you need some more, just, you know, like... Like I said, if you guys need any more time, then you should know you are allowed more time. I'll give you a couple more minutes. If you want to, you can pause the video. Okay, guys. I'll give you guys. Okay, welcome back. So we're going to actually be looking at some conjunctions, okay? Okay, I'm just going to quickly go turn the light on, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this, okay? So we're going to do a couple minutes on our conjunctions, and then we're going to have to go, okay? Then I'll have to stop the video, okay? So, with this today, with our conjunctions, flip this around. I feel like the light hasn't worked. So a subordinating, so we're going to first of all look at subordinating conjunction. So a subordinate, so it says a subordinating conjunction, it joins a dependent clause to an independent clause to assemblance a relationship between ideas. So circle the subordinate conjunction. The first one, we went, I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, but it says we went to the dinner after the movie. We went to the diner after the movie. Then we went home. So the conjunction will be after, okay? So the next sentence, okay? So let's get us on pen. Hopefully I'm going to highlight it. Let me just check if this looks okay. Yep, that will do. Okay. My sister decided to go to the dance rather than stay for the evening, okay? What do you guys think is the subordinating conjunction? My sister decided to go to the dance rather than stay at home. Okay, the word is than. So I'm just going to put like a little, okay. Let's have a look at the next one. Number 3. Every year, I stay up until midnight on New Year's Eve. The word is until. Our dog barks whenever there is someone at the door. The word is whenever. But Bert saved his money so that he could buy the new game. So the word is so that. Okay, so the rest of them I'm going to read out and you're going to think of these, okay? So let me read these out, okay? Then I'll go over the answers, okay? We're only going to do 2 more. As they waited for the bus, the children told each other jokes. Tara's packed a bathing suit because there would be a pool in the hotel. Okay, write me down in the comments what you think, okay? And I hope today you have enjoyed today's video. It was really good and I hope you have really enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe because it really does help me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!